Today, we're going to learn about some amazing landforms that shape our planet. From towering mountains to sandy dunes, let's explore how nature creates these diverse and fascinating features. We'll define each landform, describe what they look like, and share a fun fact along the way. Canyons. A canyon is a deep, narrow valley with steep sides, often carved by a river over millions of years. You've probably seen pictures of the Grand Canyon. It's the most famous. Canyons are usually found in dry, rocky regions and have dramatic cliffs. These steep walls can reveal layers of rock that tell the story of Earth's history. Fun fact, the Grand Canyon is over 277 miles long and about 1 mile deep. Mountains. A mountain is a large, elevated landform, usually with a peak at the top. Mountains are taller than hills and often have steep slopes. They can form through tectonic activity, where Earth's plates push against each other, and some mountains are covered with snow year-round, while others are rocky or forested. Fun fact, Mount Everest is the highest mountain on Earth, standing at 29,032 feet above sea level. Hills. Hills are smaller than mountains, but still elevated areas of land. They often have gentle slopes and can be found all over the world. Some hills form from erosion, while others are the result of volcanic activity. Hills can be great for hiking, and they often have scenic views. Fun fact, hills are often used as metaphors and mentioned in famous quotes, like this one. After climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. Nelson Mandela. Valleys. A valley is a low area of land between hills or mountains, usually with a river running through it. Valleys can be formed by glaciers, rivers, or tectonic movements. They can be wide and flat or narrow and winding. The fertile soil in valleys often makes them great for places for farming. Fun fact, the Great Rift Valley, stretching through East Africa, is where some of the oldest human fossils were discovered. Plains. A plain is a large, flat area of land that is usually covered with grass or other vegetation. They are usually the result of ancient seas drying up or rivers depositing sediment over time. Fun fact, the Midwest in the United States is known for its expansive plains, often called the Great Plains. Sand dunes. Sand dunes are large, mounded heaps of sand, usually found in deserts or along coastlines. Wind shapes the dunes and they can shift and change over time. They can be small or towering, and they often create beautiful patterns. Fun fact, some sand dunes can grow as tall as 500 feet, and they sing when the wind blows through them. Volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain with an opening at the top that allows hot molten rock, gases, and ash to escape from inside the earth. Volcanoes can erupt violently or gently, creating new land in the process. Some volcanoes are dormant for centuries, while others are still active today. Fun fact, Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the largest active volcano in the world. It's an enormous shield volcano that makes up more than half of the Big Island. Islands. An island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. Islands can be large, like Greenland, or small, like a single rock in the ocean. They can form from volcanic activity or the rising and falling of sea levels. Fun fact, the world's largest island is Greenland, which is actually part of North America. Plateau. A plateau is a flat, elevated area of land that has steep sides often found between mountains. Plateaus can form from volcanic activity or erosion and are usually found in dry regions or deserts. Fun fact, the Tibetan Plateau is the largest plateau in the world. It's often called the roof of the world due to its high elevation and vast flat terrain, making it one of the highest land masses on Earth. Peninsulas. A peninsula is a piece of land that is nearly surrounded by water, but still connected to the mainland. Peninsulas can vary in size from small areas of land to huge regions. They can be formed by rising sea levels or the movement of tectonic plates. And fun fact, the word itself actually means almost an island. So when you're thinking about what a peninsula is, you could think, well, it's almost an island. Waterfalls. A waterfall is a place where water flows over a vertical drop or cliff, creating a stunning display of nature's power. Waterfalls form when rivers or streams encounter a sudden drop in elevation, usually due to geological activity or erosion. And fun fact, the Angel Falls in Venezuela is the tallest waterfall in the world, plunging an incredible 3,212 feet. And so there you have it. Earth is full of incredible landforms. The natural world constantly changes, and these features tell the story of our planet's history. I hope you enjoyed learning about them. Keep exploring and discovering more about the amazing world we live in. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.